Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today, as you can see in the title, I'm gonna show you how you can make your own softbox at home. Easy, cheap, and I'm gonna show you all the steps that is going to take you to have it done perfectly, and you can enjoy having some great light in your house. So without further ado, here we go, how you can make your own softbox at home. For the first step, I went ahead and drew a line on the cardboard as you see me doing. Then I cut along the line 4 equal pieces of like a trapezoid form from the cardboard to make a pyramid. This is like the first step, and for more measurement, guys, you can check in the description box below. I have all the measurements, I have all the steps I took in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out. For the second step, as you see, I have all the I am going to use the white glue to stick the foil to the pieces that I previously cut. Cut. Okay, aligning the paper like the foil with on the corner of each one of the 4 pieces. You can either use silicone glue or even hot glue if you would like. If it sticks, it's good. Again, draw cut glue and wipe the excess of foil that you may have on your cardboard, as you see me here having a lot. And for the third step, I placed the one above and then I marked 5.5 centimeter. Why I did that? The reason why I did that is because the top of my box is still 5.5 centimeter, and the little square has the top of the box because it's going to be used as the base. It's going to cover the boxes together, so it has to match the top. And I went ahead and just followed the same process of foil and glue together and just adhere them together. And this little square is as for bucket, bulb, and the light, like for the connection. Then I cut a circle in the middle to secure the socket and the middle of the square with hot glue and more foil for one cleaner look. This is for the connection. For the fourth step, I went ahead and glued all the parts together. You can go ahead and just also align the edge, like the edges with the duct tape, for a cleaner look. Make sure you secure it well secured, because if it's not secured enough, it will fall apart, and we don't want this to happen. Security is the number one. Well, security is number one. For the fifth step, I went ahead and painted my softbox burgundy. Right? I just love this color. So but I wanted mine to be a little bit extra and over the top, so I changed the game. And if you can tell, guys, by now I have been wearing different colors, like different outfits, nails colors, nails. Well, the reason why is because I haven't filmed this video while I was working, so I will go to work, I will go back to video, I will go to work, so that is the reason why it took me like 4 days to have this video done. Yes, 4 days. So I hope you liked it, guys. You enjoy watching this video, because it took me a pretty good time to get it done, and I enjoyed doing it, guys. It was really amazing. I loved it. I love even the result. And as you can see, I went ahead and just took a piece of a cardboard, like for the sixth step. I went ahead a piece of cardboard and I stuck it into one can. This is like a milk can. If you didn't know, just don't tell anybody else. Then that, just it's between you and me. So I just took it and I stuck it into the can for like a base, for like a holder. I don't have like a tripod or like any kind of stand holder, fancy stuff. So that is the reason why I have this one like here. Since this is like a DIY, I know I don't have it in the video, but okay, cool. So I just took the box and I glued it on it, just like this. Seventh step, which is last place, I took the softbox and I took a piece of the white paper, which is the crepe paper, and glued it on it to diffuse the light. That's pretty much everything we did for this project today. This is everything I did for this project today, guys. As you see, it's really easy, and as you can see, it's like really useful and handy to do it, like especially if you are starting YouTube or anything that has to be with photography or videos, guys, and you don't have like $1 million in the bank on your name. Well, this will be useful for you guys. And to wrap up this little tutorial, guys, I want to say a huge thank you so much for watching, and it was really like a pleasure doing this video for you guys. As you see, it was really enjoyable, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video with me. And don't forget to like the video if you did. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see in the next one, what you liked about this video, and then we can see in the next one. So thank you for watching and see you next one.